Have you ever thought about starting an Airbnb? It's an intriguing prospect, isn't it? A chance to meet new people, host travelers from around the world, and perhaps, most enticing, a way to generate some additional income. But where do you begin? Let's dive into the process. Imagine Airbnb as a platform that plays matchmaker between property owners and travelers seeking unique homey accommodation options. It's a digital marketplace that has revolutionized the way we travel and stay. Starting an Airbnb in the countryside is fairly uncomplicated. If you have a country property to rent, be it a quaint cottage or a sprawling farmhouse, you list it on Airbnb's website. Your listing becomes your rural estate's online showcase. It revolves around picturesque photos and engaging descriptions that highlight the serenity and charm of country living. Fix your price. And there you have it. You're prepared for guests to book their tranquil escape. However, before you jump into the rustic charm, it's crucial to learn your terrain. Contemplate on what sets your country property apart in the Airbnb business. What unique aspects does your property offer? Why should travelers choose your rural retreat over numerous others? Next, set a realistic budget. Remember, establishing a country property on Airbnb involves a considerable initial investment. This might include refurbishing a rustic property, landscaping vast outdoor spaces, or even repurposing barns and outhouses. Ongoing costs to maintain these country properties, with their unique appeal and larger spaces, will also be a significant consideration. Then, ponder about your prospective clientele. Are you targeting country-loving families on vacation? Or remote workers desiring a quiet escape? Or perhaps luxury travelers seeking an exclusive rural experience? Your target audience will shape how you present and market your countryside property. Now let's discuss acquiring the perfect country property. If you've already found your rural haven, splendid. If not, you'll need to begin your search for one. The method you choose to finance this is a vital decision. Paying in cash is feasible if you have the necessary reserves. This can be beneficial as it enables swift decisions, bypasses pre-approval procedures, and evades interest payments. However, there are also multiple rural property loan options to evaluate, each with its unique advantages and disadvantages. Finally, remember the importance of insurance. While Airbnb does provide some level of protection for hosts, it is prudent to acquire extra coverage through a specialized insurance company for country properties. Search for policies that offer against loss of income, coverage for property and contents, liability coverage, and more importantly, coverage that is explicitly crafted for country-specific locations and considerations. In summing up, initiating a country Airbnb involves a number of crucial steps: structuring your business plan, investing in a rural property, and obtaining the right insurance coverage. This journey calls for thoughtful contemplation and strategic choices, but the fruits of your labor could be immensely gratifying. Who knows, your rustic Airbnb might just become the newest must-visit destination for those seeking a taste of the countryside.